microscope that we're using in our lab today. So when you're using a light microscope, the first step is you want to plug it in, and then you want to turn on the light. And you have this small knob here, so you want to adjust how much light is going to be going through the slide, because that'll give you different views. You'll be able to see different things under the microscope. Second, you want to secure your slide on the stage. They have these clips here that can hold your slide in place so it doesn't move.
Get certain angles.
And then these knobs here, you want to move it horizontally and vertically so that it's over the light source, whatever you're looking at. Say we're going to be looking at cells primarily. Next, you would want to adjust your ocular lenses, which are these lenses up top. They move horizontally, so you want to be able to look at your slide with both your eyes open and be able to see it clearly, so you can adjust them.
Is everybody doing okay?
Next, you want to pick which objective lens you're going to use. So there's 4. There's times 10.
Yeah,
there's 4x, 10x, 40x, and the highest one, which is 100x, is this black one right here. And then once you pick your lens, you want to look through and move this big knob here, which controls the stage, and it's the coarse adjustment. You always want to start with coarse adjustment. So once you get your slide as focused as you can with the coarse adjustment knob by moving the stage, you want to twist this smaller knob, which is your fine adjustment, and it moves the stage very, very slightly so that you can really get good focus in on your slide. And whatever objective lens you pick, it sends a picture through your ocular lenses, so if you multiply the power of the objective lens by the ocular lens, you're going to get the total power that you're looking under for the microscope. And that's how you use a microscope.
Yay!
Today I'm going to show you how to make a wet mount slide, and the first slide I'm going to show you is we're going to use a piece of my hair. So you're going to take the slide and you're going to lay your specimen on top, and then you're going to take a little drop of water using our squeezing eyedropper. There. You don't want to put too much water because then it's going to leak all over. And then here's the tricky part. You're going to take your cover slide and put it on top, but you want to be very, very careful when putting on top that you don't want to get any air bubbles, because then you might think you're looking at something that you're not. And that's how you make a wet slide.
Let me go up on it.
There's air bubbles.
Go.
So the second part of the experiment is to do a wet mount slide of Lake Fred water, and my lovely Lake Fred. And so we're just going to take a little drop of that.
That's not bad. I've seen them as well.
Grab our cover slip
So for the
and place it right on top, trying to get rid of all the air bubbles.
Okay, that was mine. Okay. And this one, where did you get this value from?
Now we're going to look at it under the microscope. Okay, now we're adding NaCl to see how it affects the specimen of leaf. And you add a drop, and then you put the paper towel on the opposite side of where you added the drop to make the drop become sucked up. Yeah, it pulls the drop of NaCl and it replaces the regular water with NaCl. See what happens.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to prepare another wet mount slide. This time we're going to use a leaf. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my leaf. And you want to make sure you pick a nice big one that is easy to spot. And you don't want any stem on it. So there you go. And you're going to put it on your slide. And then, like before, you're going to do a little drop of water.
I think that's what they did. I can give you a sample one.
And again, being very careful. Put your cover top on your cover slip, trying not to get any air bubbles.
If you're going up there, ask Tana first if there's a pure.
And now we're doing the last step of the experiment, and we're doing a cross-section of a plant. So first what you do is you cut off a square of the plant.
And then I can watch it in quick time.
And get that out of the way. And then you take a
But yeah,
very,
save that
very,
one on
very
there,
thin,
and we'll go back and make
slice
some
of the leaf.
edits on that later on. Okay. But you'll turn in that extra.
I have to edit one thing I didn't notice before.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. All right. And do you have a flash drive too that I can get you?
And that's your cross section, and it's very, very tiny. You probably can't even see it. And you take that
Oh, yeah, hold on 1 second.
and make a wet mount slide, just as we've been doing the entire lab. Put
Cross section.
Oh, this is the bacteria? Yeah, this is going to be really
and we'll take a cover slip and put it over, and we have our slide to put under and in the microscope, and we're gonna view it.
You're starting business over.
Yeah, this is actually
Monday, Wednesday, Friday. How about Monday?
Ta-da! We got it. Now we're gonna take a picture, and that concludes our lab.